Just a small tip here. I just wanted to show you what fogging oil I use. Obviously, when you're rebuilding an engine that has been open for a while and there was no oil, in my case I removed the sump completely. The car has been sitting without oil for over a year. So yeah, I'm gonna spray fogging oil in the cylinders underneath and then on top through the spark plug holes. I'm gonna turn the engine by hand before I attempt to restart the engine for the first time after so long. So there's good instructions on how to use it on the back of the can. I have two different cans. It's pretty much the same thing, if not identical. I just bought one and then I bought the other one after a while, but yeah, pretty much the same price. You can get them anywhere on the internet, Amazon, eBay, or any car parts shop. So just wanted to give you a little tip before you restart the engine. It's good to just make sure that the engine is well lubricated. Shake the can very well. I've done that off camera, and just spray underneath every piston. And do the same on each cylinder. Just make sure, my can is brand new, haven't used it before. Make sure it's full, and just so you're spraying plenty of oil and not just CO2. I hope I get a good camera angle here, but basically what I'm doing is I'm spraying the fogging oil around the cylinder, so you're getting the idea. So do this 8 times if you're working on a V8 engine. I'm just getting ready the upper sump for a gasket installation. So this is the E39 gasket that I was telling you. You can check the part number code here if you wanted to order one for yourself. So I'm gonna quickly unpack it and I'm going to secure it on the upper sump with some cable ties. Place the gasket carefully in place and attach some cable ties to secure it. Otherwise you're gonna have a bit of a job to install it in place. I'm taking some more comfortable spots so I can cut it with the cutter then. And that should keep it snug enough so I can install it. So next step is to install it underneath the car. I've prepared some of the bolts. This is now going to look like a very easy job because obviously I don't have anything here. I don't have suspension, subframe, steering, so it makes it much easier to film and install. Just one thing to add here. Basically you need to put some silicone or gasket maker, whatever you want to call it. I'm using Rain's Seal, which is Victor Rain's, and this is really good silicone. So you want to put in all 4 corners. You want to put, you can see a little hole here, so this is basically where the rear main seal meets with this. So you want to put some silicone here, a little bit here in this hole. Now I'm not gonna put here and here yet because I'm not going to install the lower timing cover yet. So this is kind of covered halfway, so you can still put some silicone at that point. They assume obviously if you're installing this that the timing cover is there, and you just put silicone here and here and then you install the upper sump. So I'm going to leave this alone for now, and I'm just going to put silicone here and here. I have installed in place the upper sump. I haven't tightened the bolts, so just wanted to let you know these are 10mm head bolts, so these are M6, and the strength of these bolts is 10.9. So these bolts I'm gonna torque at 14 Newton meters. Now, don't forget the 4 bolts at the back that are not visible from here. Now, I need to install the transmission bolts here. These are internal Torx E12. So that's the upper sump installed. All bolts torqued to 14 Newton meters. And after this, I'm gonna proceed with the oil pump.